Here comes the green slime. Whoa! Check that surprise out.
Hi, little Earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. I'm gonna do some magic on these slime bottles so you can get some surprises. Zim, zam, shabam. Open them up now.
Okay, Marty, let's open up our slime bottles. Let's start with Moana. She has, let's see what color of slime she has. It looks green. Here comes the green slime. Whoa, check that surprise out. We got Rocky. Rocky likes to wear green. And we have his green car. Put him in there and he can ride over the slime. Sweep over the slime. Whoa. Whoa. That's a fun surprise we got from Moana's bottle. So let's put our green slime away. We found Rocky in Moana's slime. Now let's see what's going to be in Spidey's slime. Spider-Man. What color does he have? Oh, that's pink slime. Here it comes. Woohoo! Yay! We got another Paw Patrol. And this time it's Skye. That's awesome. She came in the pink slime because she loves to wear pink. Okay, let's put her in her pink race car. And she can race just like Rocky. Whoa! Okay, let's open up our next slime bottle. And this one's Ariel. Look at her pretty red hair. Let's see what color slime she has. It's blue. Here it comes. Oh, there's some slime. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. How did all of that come out of that bottle? Look. We got a giant kitty cat. Meow. It's so big. We also got Chase and his race car. Look. And here's the blue slime. Let's get that out of here. Look at that giant kitty we got. Meow, 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 meow. With big, pretty, sparkly eyes. And we have Chase. That was really fun. Okay, well, now that we found that giant kitty, let's see what's in our yellow slime bottle. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Come on! There we go. We got our slime surprise with our yellow slime. Look how much yellow slime there is. Woo! And look, we have Rubble and his race car. Rubble likes to wear yellow. And so he has his yellow race car. Woohoo! Okay, let's open up our last slime bottle. It's the Hulk. There he is. And he has, red slime. Let's get our surprise. Whoa! There we go. Look at our red surprise. With all of our red slime. Look at all that red slime. Whoa! We got, there's some more slime. We got Marshall and his race car. There we go. Look at all these fun surprises we got. We got our giant kitty cat. Meow, meow. And all of these race cars. Woohoo!
Good job, little Earthlings. That was some good surprises out of our slime. But now, let's see what's going to happen next. Zim, zam, shabam.
Look at all those cute little beehives.
Fun Kids Universe!
Hi guys, we have these funny little beehives right here we're going to play with today.
Hi little Earthlings, it's me, Marty the Martian. Here are some special bees to put in your beehives. Zim, zam, shabam.
Look at all those cute little beehives. We have our fun little picker-uppers right here. Let's take them all down. Whoops. Okay, now look. Whoops, dropped that one. Okay, we have this fun little red bee right here. And we're gonna put him in this little red beehive, and see what happens. Did you see what happened? Our bee turned into Marshall. And Marshall wears red, so it all works out. That is really funny. So let's get a red gumball put in here so we can stand Marshall up. There. Look at Marshall. We gotta do that again. Let's see, what color should we do next? How about, whoops, this one right here. Yellow. Let's put a yellow bee in the yellow hive. What's gonna come out? Oh, look, we got Rubble out. And Rubble wears yellow. So let's get our yellow gumball and stick in there with Rubble. Nice. Okay, what color's next? How about, let's do an orange bee. Let's see what's in there. And what did we get out of our orange beehive? We got Zuma! Except look, this one's so funny. It's squishy and it has a little keychain holder and it's a flashlight! And look, it has a blue flashlight. That's a funny little surprise. That one's special. Let's get our orange gumball and stick right there with Zuma. Okay, let's do our next one. Let's do our green bee next. Boop. And out of our green beehive, we found Rocky. He's wearing green too. And here's our green gumball. Now, we only have 2 colors left. So now let's do our purple bee. Okay, look, we found Skye. And she wears pink, but she likes purple too. And let's use a pink gumball in there with Skye. All right, we only have 1 more bee left. And this one's Chase. Well, you can't really see, but we got Chase out of there, just like I said. And Chase wears blue. And our blue gumball. And there we go, look, we got all of our Paw Patrol out of these. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Okay.
That's it for this story, you guys. But now, let's see what's going to happen next. Hi, guys. Subscribe for more adventures with me, Marty. Zim, zam, shabam. Oh, look. Here's some videos you can watch. It's going to be super fun.
Now it's Chase's turn. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, Chase knocked them all down too. Good job, Chase. Woohoo!
Hello, little Earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. Look at these fun bowling pins we have today. Let's bring in the Paw Patrol so they can play with them. Zim, zam, shabam.
Ooh, here come our Paw Patrol. Those aren't Paw Patrol, those are just all of their vehicles. Whoa! 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 Where did we come from? I don't know, Zuma, but let's put you in your cars. Zuma gets the orange car. Skye gets the pink car. Rocky gets his green car. Marshall gets his red car. Chase gets his blue car. And Rubble gets his yellow car. All right, are you guys ready to do some bowling? Yes, we are. All right, let's set up your bowling pins. All right, there are your bowling pins. Now we just gotta wait to see who can knock the most over. All right, let's start with Rubble. Are you ready, Rubble? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Rubble knocked down all of them but 1. Good job, Marshall. You knocked down 5. Good job, Rubble. You knocked down 5. Woohoo! All right, let's put them back up. Okay. Ooh, let's have Zuma go next. Are you ready, Zuma? All right, here you go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that was close, Zuma. You only knocked down 4. That's okay. It was so fun. Good job, Zuma. You're a good sport. Now, let's do that again. This time, let's use Skye. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Skye, that was so close. You knocked down all of them but 1, so you knocked down 5, just like Rubble. Woohoo, just like Rubble. All right, Marshall, are you ready? Yep, here I come. Woo! What? Marshall, that's not the right car. Huh? I mean, I just found it. Marshall. Okay, I'll get my other car. Okay, that's very nice. It was fun riding in this big car too, though. You knocked down all of the pins with your big fire truck. I know. All right, Marshall, now you have to play fair and do the same car as we'd have. Okay. Silly Marshall. Now he's going to do it with his normal car, just like all the other Paw Patrol. All right, Marshall, are you ready? I'm ready. 1, 2, 3. What? See, Marshall, you didn't need your big car to get a strike. You got it with your little car. You're right. I'll always follow the rules now. Good job, Marshall. Marshall totally knocked down all of the pins. Now it's Chase's turn. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, Chase knocked them all down too. Good job, Chase. Woohoo! Thanks, everybody. That was fun. Now we only have 1 Paw Patrol left. It's Rocky. Look, here's Rocky's pin. It's green. And here comes Rocky. 1, 2, 3. Oop, you got all of them but 1, Rocky. Good job. So you got 5. So Zuma knocked down 4. Rubble, Rocky, and Skye knocked down 5. Marshall and Chase knocked down 6.
Good job, Paw Patrol. And now that you're done playing bowling, let's see what's going to happen next. Hi, guys. Subscribe for more adventures with me, Marty. Zim, zam, shabam. Oh, look. Here's some videos you can watch. It's going to be super fun.